Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Samsung Galaxy S20. First, scroll from the top, disable the mobile data, and enable it back on. Then, on top of your phone, you will see a SIM slot. Insert something long and thin like a needle or this into this hole and push. As you can see, it popped out. So now take it off. Okay, and now here is the SIM card. So take a microfiber and gently brush it. Then insert it back inside. Now try disabling and enabling mobile data once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.